There we go. So, hello. It has been a while since I've made a video. This was kind of a little bit more of a spur of the moment video. I had an idea for a project and I started working on it. I was like, might as well record it. So today, and I'm hoping this is going to be a short video because I don't want to spend a lot of time figuring this out, but I recently tore down like my whole microphone stand headset setup that I had before that arguably sounded a lot better, and instead replaced it with a headset. This is like not an amazing headset. It's a branded one because it was 50% off. So what I wanted to do is, and what I realized is, the audio quality is shit. And I mean that not literally. Actually, I do mean that literally. This is the microphone that it came with. It is one of those little stupid ones that you plug in your ear, and it just sounds really bad. So what I realized is these guys have a 3.5 millimeter jack, which means that technically you can plug any microphone in, and I just so happen to have a lav microphone that's been sitting around forever waiting to be used because I haven't made a video with it yet. This is the first video that I think I'm actually making with this lav mic. So what I decided to do was actually kind of come up with, I've got like some sketches, and I'll show you, you'll get the idea soon enough. I actually have this plugged into the headset right now. So you're hearing the headset, this microphone quality run through the headset. So my goal is, and I also realized that when you have the lav mic, it's supposed to be down here and you're supposed to talk forward and project your voice. I don't always do that. So I also like holding it. So what I'm gonna try and do is design this as a 3D printed kind of like mount that I can plug the headset, the lav mic 3.5 into here, and put the microphone, and I just have it like sitting like right here, and I'll do some like configurations and figure out where the best place is. So that's the project. So let's get started with some measurements and some modeling. So it's done. Finally got it set up, and after it only took 2 tries. It only took 2 tries to get this thing working. I don't think it looks particularly bad. I mean, I honestly wasn't going for aesthetics. I was going for like the fastest working solution I could make in a day. And I'm actually quite impressed with how it turned out. I was not expecting it to be as straightforward of a process as it was. I was actually anticipating it to be a lot more difficult. I'm sure that I could have measured it much more perfectly and made it all super fancy like, but this actually fits extremely snugly around the cord. So I think that it doesn't really need much more than this. I'm sure I could do wrapping. I'm sure I could do all sorts of other things. But I will take it out so you can hear the quality of the microphone. So this is the new microphone with its new fancy setup, and I'll take it out. And so this is the sound. I'm gonna put this a little bit further back. This is the sound of the old microphone. I'm sure you can immediately tell the difference, but this is what the microphone looks like. As you can see in the thing, there's a slight angle there, and it just connects on here. And what's great is that you can just plug it out and you can use it for other stuff when you need to. But when you want to play games, you can use this. I'm gonna switch back to the good microphone now. You can tell it's just a super easy plug in and take out. So yeah, the problem with the first version was that A, this was too small, couldn't fit it in. B, the angle for the microphone was off, so I just changed those things. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.